And now, please put your hands together for the name who got the first place in this game. I'm going to announce. Please put your hands together. Same I'm going to announce. Very handsome and charming boy.
Hands together for our mentor, Mr. Ashok sir.
Hello everyone. It's a very good morning to all of you. And it's a very fabulous morning. It's just decorated by the two dignitaries who are sitting in front of us, the Dinesh sir and Sandeep sir. And if I say this is a garden and you are the plant of the flowers, without you, this garden is empty. And I'm very happy to introduce you to all by this platform what skills you have. This is a fabulous opportunity to yourself to present your skill through Voice of English, and give a huge round of applause for the Dinesh sir and the only directors of James and Joely Career Academy, DS Job Consultant and DS Language Classes. Please put your hands together for them. In this row, the first session, I am going to call the very fabulous name Mr. Aryan Rajpurohit to inaugurate this speech. Please put your hands together for this name.
So hello everyone, good morning. My name is Aryan. It is my pleasure to introduce myself from the platform of the Voice of English, sponsored by Gems and Jewelry Academy and DS Job Consultant, co-powered by DS Language Classes. I want to thank all the dignitaries sitting here, and special thanks to Mr. Ashok sir, which are my mentor. So today, I want to talk about the fundamental choice that shapes our world, the choice between love and hate. In a world where division often dominates the headlines, it's essential to recognize the transformative power of love. Love is not just a feeling, it's a choice. It's a choice to prioritize empathy, compassion and kindness over anger, fear and aggression. When we choose love, we create a positive effect when that spread far away. Hate, on the other hand, is a destructive force that tear individuals, communities and societies apart. It fuels conflicts, violence and undermines human dignity. Hate may provide a temporary sense of power or control, but it ultimately leads to the devastation and despair. In contrast, love has the power to heal, unite and inspire, but it fosters understanding and encourage human growth. Love has the power to make strangers into friends. Let's make a consequence effort to spread love, positivity and kindness wherever we go. Let's challenge hate and negativity with empathy and compassion. That together we can create a brighter and more meaningful future for all. Thank you.
Hello, good morning sir and all of you. It is my pleasure to introduce myself from the James and Jewelry Career Academy, co-powered by DS Job Consultant and DS Language Classes. Today I want to talk about women's education. Education is key to unlocking the individual and social potential. When women are educated, they are to make informed decisions and families and communities development. Women's education has a ripple effect on society. Education women enjoy better health and economic opportunities. However, many barriers still. Let's work together to promote women's education. We need to invest in school programs and challenges. Let's create a world where every woman has access to quality education. Education is important for everyone. It is just as important for a woman as it is a man. When women are educated, then can live better lives. Education gives women the confidence to speak up, take decisions and fight for their rights. Thank you so much.
Everyone. Good morning and Assalamualaikum. It's my pleasure to introduce myself, platform of Voice of English, sponsored by Gems and Jewelry Career Academy and co-powered by DS Job Consultant and DS Language Classes. I want to thank you all the dignitaries sitting here, and especially thank you my Mr. Ashok sir. So my name is Subhana Ansari And today my topic is the Indian Army. The Indian Army's roots track back to the British Indian Army after Indian independence. Today it's a deserved and technology advanced military. Its stream to further augmented by various branches including the Army Aviation. The primitive force. The Indian Army is not just a scoring a job. It's scoring a soldier face members challenging for harsh talents and all extreme weather conditions. They sacrifice of our personal lives and physical and mental well-being. These consume individuals are the backbone of all national security, standing ready to protect our borders and our peoples. The Indian Army is more than just a force. It's a symbol of national pride. So let us to recognize and appreciate the involving commitment and the dedication of soldiers. Their services are what allow to us live with peace and security. Thank you.
Good morning to respected judges and my dear friends. My name is Saransh Rastogi. It's my pleasure to introduce myself on the platform of Voice of English, sponsored by Gems and Jewelry, Career Academy and DS Job Consultant, co-powered by DS Language Classes. I want to thank you all dignitaries sitting here and special thanks to my mentor Mr. Ashok sir. Today I am here to tell you about the importance of education. Education is not a simply acquiring knowledge. It is a process that develops our thoughts and broadens our perspectives. It attains people to pursue their goals, attain them, and live fulfilled life. Education provides opportunities and help us to realize our greatest potential. It provides individuals with the help of skill necessary for the job market, enhancing their employability. Education is a successful tool for economic development. It provides the individual, also encourages development by promoting understanding and tolerance among people of different backgrounds. An educated society places a higher importance on justice, equality, and human rights. Education allows us to address social concerns such as inequality, poverty, and corruption. Education has a wide variety of impact on well-being and health. Human education makes people who are educated more likely to make informed decisions about their health. They are better able to understand their healthcare facilities. In last, I would like to say only one thing about education, that education is the only key which unlocks the door of success. Thank you.
Hello, my respected judges and my dear friends. My name is Krishna. It's my pleasure to introduce myself from the platform of Voice of English, sponsored by Gems and Jewelry Career Academy and DS Job Consultant, co-powered by DS Language Classes. I want to thank all the dignitaries sitting here and a special thank to my mentor Mr. Ashok sir. So today I want to talk about fundamental aspect of personal and professional growth, which is self-confidence. So when we talk about self-confidence is not just a feeling, it's a mindset. It's the belief in our abilities, our judgment and our worth. It's the foundation upon which we build our life, our relationships and our career. It's the spark that ignites our potential, our relationships and our worth. So when we talk about self-confidence, it drives our passion and helps us to achieve our goals. It ignites our potential, drives our passion and helps us to achieve our goals. When we possess self-confidence is more likely to take risks, overcome obstacles and push beyond our limits. So now I would like to say some benefits of self-confidence. So as we all know that the benefits are numerous. So it can enhance performance, foster resilience and improve our communication skill. It can enhance performance, it can improve our productivity, creativity and overall performance. Foster resilience, self-confidence help us bounce back from setbacks, learn from failure and adapt to change. Self-confidence can be a game changer. It can help us to take new challenges, lead and inspire others. Self-confidence helps us in the workplace and it is a key of success. Without confidence, any person is like a dead body. As I say, without knowledge, person is like a dead body. And if a person is not gained the knowledge, it is totally worthless. And finally, I would like to say that the purpose of organizing this event today is to empower children with confidence. And our Mr. respected Dinesh sir, Ashok sir and Sandeep sir always emphasizes that to become confident. Thank you.
Hey everyone, so a very good morning to all of you. It is a pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Karan Gupta. Today I am studying our DS job classes. DS job classes can be providing English computer classes and other side of all classes like is very good classes. Don't wasting our time. Let's start my topic. Today's my topic is terrorism. Why is terrorism?
is the biggest problem of every country like Indian, Pakistan and also country. This terrorism can be starting all this time. You can see a French Revolution. French Revolution is starting on 1794 to 1795. This is the biggest time of a terrorism can be start. This is because the participant of the terrorism is a very not a good, because terrorism is a very only one motive ever killing a innocent people like a Pakistan. Pakistan is the this time of a biggest is a terrorism as a supporter. You can see in the some time of a Pahalgam attack. Pahalgam attack only a Pakistan can be made, and a odd side of a attack like a Pulwama attack. Pahalgam attack is a very dangerous attack of a killing a 23 Indian people as a innocent. See, he adding a army soldier also. Army soldier also king of a Pahalgam attack. This then Indian can be a revenge of this attack. Pakistan can be also attacked with all missile of a, they helping out Turkey. Turkey can helping and giving hundreds of ton of drones. Drones can be attacking India, but this is not good, because India also killing only terrorism based. Not every citizen of Pakistan is innocent. Pakistan say that Indian can be killing innocent people in Pakistan. This is wrong. This Indian can be also killing a Pahalgam attack revenge of a terrorist. This is the biggest opportunity of India killing 11 camp of a Pakistan terrorism. No ever harm innocent people. And my second point is terrorism is not good for every country, because terrorism is the only motive of killing innocent people. No feeling we are. And my third point of terrorism can be not good for every country, because if you can terrorist, you have a very small age, like a 15 or 16 age, Pakistan can make a terrorism. This is not a good. This is for education and life is the best of his, but Pakistan cannot do anything. This is my point. Thank you.
You are presenting your paper as like you are presenting your paper Oxford Union. That is an international platform. But this is a very small platform created and developed by a very visionary person. For Dinesh sir, please put your hands together for that person. Our existence, what we are here, the address number that 4507, this is not a only place, this is a nursery. We are developing, we are nurturing the youths and the budding youths who are seeking their career in their respective desires and ambitions as well. जीवन वास्तव में होगा कुछ और, जीवन वास्तव में होगा कुछ और, यहाँ मीठा हो या कड़वा, यहाँ मीठा हो या कड़वा, जो परोसा गया है चखना होगा, जो परोसा गया है वो चखना होगा, अनुभवों से सीखना होगा, अनुभवों से सीखना होगा। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करना चाहूंगा। लास्ट लाइन सुनना, ये दिनेश सर की आइडियोलॉजी है, मेरी जुबान से मैं बोलना चाहता हूं कि अनुभवों से सीखना होगा, ये तेरा युद्ध है, तुझे ही करना होगा। So thank you so much. I am going to call the next name, that is Mr. Roshan. Please put your hands together for the
Everyone, so a very good morning to all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. It is my pleasure to introduce myself on the platform of Voice of English, sponsored by James and Joel Career Academy, co-powered by DS Jobs Consultant and Language Classes. So I want to thank you all the dignitaries sitting here, and a special thank to my mentor, Mr. Ashok sir. They organized this competition. It is not just a competition, it is an opportunity to show our skills and show our knowledge on front of you all. So I am going to give my paper presentation on the front of you all. So without any wasting of more your time, I am starting my topic. As you all know, my topic is all about unemployment. So firstly, I want to tell you that what is unemployment. Unemployment means people are willing and able to work but can't find the job due to their skills and due to their knowledge. But so I have some perspective and point of view and some information which helps to you to get a job.
Hello everyone, my name is Noshad Alam. A very good morning all of you. Thank you for giving opportunity and the pleasure to introduce myself, platform of Voice of English. Sponsored by Gems and Jewelry Career Academy and co-powered by Jobs DS Job Consultant and DS English classes. I want to thank you, dignitaries, sitting at dignitaries, and special Ashok sir. So I want to speak about corruption. Corruption. This is the mean of disease and the weakness our country. Corruption mean using a power, personal again. So personal like disease and weakness, corruption using a power, personal again. I happens to warn about the whips and the when we pay extra to get work. So what should we do? Be honest, say not whips. The follow the rules and the support honest. Take others about honesty. A clean India, not a clean just a Indian roads. I mean clean your hearts. And my last line, fight corruptions. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Warm greeting and good morning to my estimated teachers and students. I am Kakul. It's my pleasure to introduce myself from the platform of my Voice of English, sponsored by James and Jewelry Career Academy, co-powered by DS Jobs and Consultant DS Language Classes. So, the topic is today is corruption. I will addressing my viewpoint on the same particular on the political. Our country, everything has been directed by political leaders and some leaders are ruling in government sectors. But whosoever comes power in trade misused, then power of his her gains wealth and luxury lives. The common people as well as find themselves. The gap between have and has is not hard to become a clear example of corruption. Richness and welfare accuracy welfare on the other hand, the majority pass through the. This is the reason why economy of creating nationals and facing a decline such as USA economy. Suppose we are responsibility and citizens of our country. In that case, we should understand that corruption is eating our nation. Society contains and continues repeating this privating lines. So we come, let's join and hands to fight against corruption. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं ऑल टीचर मिस्टर संदीप जी, मिस्टर अशोक सर, प्रिया जी, वैशाली जी का आर्थिक रूप से धन्यवाद करता हूं कि हमारे कोचिंग को इतना महत्व देने के लिए इन्होंने जिस हिसाब से आज हमारा पहला ऑडिशन है, इस तरह का कल्चर प्रोग्राम है जो इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, और मैं ऑल स्टूडेंट का सभी का बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आप हमारे साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर मेहनत कर रहे हैं और हम आपका कैरियर बनाने में अपनी जी जान से लगे हुए हैं, और आप भी उसमें पूरी तरह अभी तक जो मैंने देखा बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा है सभी का। तो मैं सभी जेम्स एंड जूली कैरियर अकेडमी की तरफ से आप सभी को धन्यवाद करता हूँ। मेरा सभी बच्चों से यही निवेदन है कि हम आपके साथ हैं, कहीं आपको डरने घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। कल हौसला बुलंद तूफान थम जाएंगे, तेरे इरादों से आसमां झुक जाएंगे, घने अंधेरे हो पर रुक मत जाना, तेरे कदमों के निशान खुद राह दिखाएंगे। हार का डर दिल से मिटा दे दे, तेरे सांस के आगे लोग कांप जाएंगे, सपनों के पर लगाकर उठ चल, मंजिल खुद तेरा पता लगाएंगी।
Session that was Voice of English. The students performed very well at the platform of that, and today this is the time for the awards, and we have decided by the opinion polls of the students as well as the judges and the members of the juries. And now please put your hands together for the name who got the first place in the speaking and presenting the papers. His name is Aryan Rastogi. Congratulations, Mr. Aryan. trophy is presented by the director itself, Gems and Jewelry Career Academy, DS Job Consultant and DS Language Classes itself, Mr. Dinesh Singhal. Please put your hands together for that. And next name I am going to announce. Please put your hands together for the Saransh Rastogi. And now this award is also presented by the itself director, Mr. Dinesh Singhal, director of Gems and Jewelry Career Academy, DS Job Consultant and DS Language Classes. Please put your hands together again for Dinesh sir. Next name I am going to announce, very handsome and charming boy, Mr. Karan Gupta. Please welcome for the third place. Now the trophy is going to be presented by Mr. Dinesh sir. As you know that, director itself of the institute, Gems and Jewelry Career Academy, DS Job Consultant and DS Language Classes. Congratulations Mr. Karan for the third place. The one and only very exciting, charming and very laborious and intelligent girl. The name is Priya. And please put your hands together for the Priya. Program coordinator, all the visions, all the programs are goes to, and this is a special award goes to Miss Priya. Please put your hands together. And this presentation is also by Dinesh sir itself, director of the Gems and Jewelry Career Academy, DS Language Classes